up? Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video we have a look of Ankr coin. What's the prices goes in Ankr coin? What's the high price and what is the current status of Ankr coin in cryptocurrencies market? So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe my channel for more this kind of urgent videos notification. Please subscribe channel, that's very important for you and that's very helpful for you because I update you every hour from a new cryptocurrencies news. So friends, first of all we look the last 2 hour price predictions, what's the change goes and the last 2 hour and the Ankr coin. As you can see here, positive 1.8% change occur in Ankr coin in the previous last 2 hour, and the high price of Ankr coin is about $0.152563 is the high price of Ankr coin. Now if we look the chart analysis of the Ankr coin, so absolutely a good change occur in the Ankr coin after a great falls. They again take a jump, but unfortunately now at this time they again falls down at this time. So now for more details, now let's see the last 1 hour price predictions, what's going on in Ankr coin at this time and in cryptocurrencies markets. Let's see, as you can see now on the screen friends, that is the live price predictions of the Ankr coin of the last 1 hour. That is the now change occur in Ankr coin you are watching live. So friends, -0.94% change occur in Ankr coin in the last 1 hour, and the high price of Ankr coin as $0.152335 is the high price of Ankr coin. So that is the last 1 hour price prediction, and now currently at this time they are in the falling mood. Maybe they go upward in the future and maybe they fall down in the future. We can't say about the Ankr coin futures. Now let's check it out, the last 1 day price predictions. After that we decide it's time to buy, sell or hold Ankr coin. That is the last 1 day price predictions, what is change goes, what's the high price and what is the currently change occur in the Ankr coin in the previous last 1 day friends. According to the price prediction of last 1 hour, last 2 hour and last 1 day, we are decide that it's time to buy, sell or hold Ankr coin. So friends, as you can see now on the screen, that is live price predictions of the last 1 day. As you can see here, and the change occur in Ankr coin as -5.07% and the high price is $0.162465 is the high price of Ankr coin in the last 1 day. So friends, now it is clear for all of you that the changes in the last 1 day occurs negative. Continuously falls down Ankr coin in the last 1 day, and this time they take a jump. As you can see here now, at this time they take a jump. So friends, according to the price prediction, it is clear that Ankr coin falls down very fastly. So my suggestion for all of Ankr coin holders, please hold your Ankr coin because when you sell it at this time, so you lose money. As you can see, the chain is negative, so you lose. So please wait for a big explosion of the Ankr coin. Please hold your Ankr coin at this time. When they start explosion, it's the best time for you to sell it. And if you want to buy a Ankr coin, so when they start explosion, absolutely it's the best time for you to buy a Ankr coin. So it's not the best time to buy and it's not the best time to sell. Only hold and hold. What's your opinion about Ankr coin? Please share in the comment box and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of urgent videos notifications.